Today our topic is boats and streams. In all competitive exams, it takes 1 to 3 marks. So first of all, we have to learn some terms related to boats and streams. That are first one, stream. Stream means moving water in river is called as stream. Second one, upstream. What is upstream means? Boat flowing opposite direction to the stream is called upstream, and boat flowing along with or in the same direction of stream is called downstream. And still water. Still water means water is considered to be a stationary one. That means the speed of water is to be zero. These are the four main terms we have to learn for topic boats and streams. Now we are moving to some important formulas. Let us consider u is the speed of boat. Speed of boat in still water, and v will be speed of stream. Then how we get upstream and downstream speeds means upstream speed. Here we have considered upstream speed as us, and we denote downstream speed as ds. Okay, now upstream speed will get by u minus v. Here u means speed of boat and v means speed of stream, and downstream speed is equals to u plus v. Similarly, some other formulas. Here we are getting upstream speed and downstream speed by using speed of boat and speed of stream. Now here reverse to that, speed of boat and speed of stream by using upstream speed and downstream speed. The formulas are speed of boat in still water is equals to half into downstream speed plus upstream speed, and speed of stream is equals to half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. And next one is average speed of boat is equals to upstream speed into downstream speed divided by u. Here u is boat speed. These are the three formulas mainly. We are going to see some other formulas like t. Here t will be time for boat to reach a certain place. Example, A to B. A and B are 2 points. T will be time taken by boat to go from A to B and come back to A. Then and also given speed of boat and stream speed. Then we have to find distance. Then distance formula will be u square minus v square by 2u into t. Next other formula will be between 2 points A and B, we have to find distance. Here in uppercase they given whole time taken by boat from A to B and come back from B to A, but in this case T will be time taken more. Let us consider this will be upstream, then automatically this will be downstream. Here T will be time taken, more time taken by, T will be more time taken by upstream then downstream. In this case we have to find distance. For that the formula will be distance is equals to u square minus v square by 2v into t. Next, another case between points A. Here given T1 T1 hours. It takes T1 hours in downstream and returns the same distance upstream in T2 hours. In this case, we have to find speed of man in still water. For this, the formula will be V into T2 plus T1 divided by T2 minus T1. These are the main formulas we have to remember in this boats and streams topic. Next, from boats and streams topic, the format of questions asked will be: first one, time based questions. Time based questions means they given boat speed and stream speed, then we have to find time taken for upstream or downstream. Second case will be speed based. Speed based one. In this question, we have to find speed of boat and speed of stream. Third case, we have to find average speed. They they will give us gives upstream speed and downstream speed. From this, we have to find average speed. And last case they ask will be distance based. Distance based. We have to find distance traveled by boat in upstream or in downstream. These are the main four cases the questions will be asked on from boats and streams topic, and this is the whole boats and streams topic. In next video we will see examples. Thank you.